Happy Thanksgiving, everyone! You know what time of year it is. Black Friday shopping and Cyber Monday shopping. This week is notorious for people overspending and blowing their budget. Out of the 175 million Americans who take part on Black Friday and Cyber Monday, on average, people spend $335 per person. And I know for me, trying to live on a budget, $335 on a single weekend is a lot of money. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you all the best tips and tricks that you could use to save a lot of money during Black Friday and Cyber Monday while still getting all the best deals. So if you're interested in learning how, make sure to stay tuned and watch until the end. Hey everyone, my name is Chris and welcome back to the Lifestyle Design Show, the #1 place for young adults to learn lifestyle design and personal finance. Today, I'm so excited to talk about something that we've all gone through at one point or another, and that's Black Friday and Cyber Monday shopping. Black Friday and Cyber Monday are really great because if you're looking for something that you're already going to buy, this is the best time to find deals and cuts in prices so that you can save a lot of money. But the hard thing, there's so many discounts and promotions going on right now that it can be hard to get the best price while also making sure you're not spending too much on things you don't need. So in today's episode, I'm going to be sharing the best strategies that you could use to save a lot of money this year when you're going Black Friday or Cyber Monday shopping. The first strategy that you could use to make sure you're getting the best price when you're Cyber Monday and Black Friday shopping is to bookmark your favorite retailers online. Now this is a pretty fundamental and basic tip, but the reason that this is so important is because so many different retailers are going to be offering deals and promotions, discounts and cuts in price that it can be hard to filter out some of the noise. But by going through and bookmarking your favorite retailers, you'll be able to make sure that you have all the deals and discounts from your favorite places all in one spot without having to search all across the internet and all across different deals. So make sure to go ahead and do this, go through your browser and bookmark your favorite retailers before the big day comes. The second strategy that you could use is actually one that not a lot of people know. But when you're shopping online, your search history can actually affect prices. So what does this mean? Well, when you go to different websites, a lot of times they'll drop cookies into your browser. And these cookies allow the website to see your search history and your buying patterns. So if there's something that they know that you need or you want specifically, the price might be affected, making you pay more. So the advice that a lot of people say to do in this kind of situation is to use incognito mode. By using incognito mode when you're doing your searching and you're looking for products, you'll be able to ensure that when you do make your purchase, you're getting the best price and your search history isn't affecting the price. The next strategy that you can use to save money when you're Black Friday and Cyber Monday shopping is to turn on notifications for your favorite apps and retailers. The reason that you should do this is because a lot of retailers will push out notifications with all their best coupons and deals. So you want to make sure your notifications are on for these different retailers so you can take advantage of these deals. Now I know how annoying it is to be bombarded with so many different notifications, so many different advertisements. The thing is, if you turn your notifications on for just your favorite retailers and apps, you'll be able to take advantage of some great deals that most people don't even know about. Some examples of apps that will send notifications with great deals for Cyber Monday and Black Friday shopping is the Target app. I use the Target app all the time. I know Groupon's another example, or really any store app, because they'll send you all of their best coupons straight to your phone and you'll find out about these deals way before anybody else. So make sure to turn your notifications on. So I was walking home when I realized I forgot to say this, but one of my personal favorite apps that also gives me notifications whenever there's coupons or discounts available is Ibotta. Now I know I talk about Ibotta all the time, but the reason for that is because I use it personally like pretty much every single week, and it's really great if you're looking for coupons and discounts because they send you notifications just like the Target app does, just like other retailer apps do. So if you're looking for an app that helps you save money and lets you know whenever there's coupons and discounts available, then definitely check out the Ibotta app. Oh, my tripod does not want to fit through the door. Here we go. Oh, this is good. This is a good shot. If you're interested in checking out Ibotta, make sure you use the link in the description so you can get a free $10 just for signing up and redeeming your first rebate. And hey, a free $10 after all that Cyber Monday and Black Friday shopping might come in handy. The next Black Friday and Cyber Monday saving strategy is to make sure you're following your favorite retailers on social media. Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, whatever social media platform that you use, make sure you're following your favorite brands on there. A lot of times, companies will put flash sales on their social media, along with other promotions and coupons that they have going on that you might not even know about unless you check their social media. So right along with the tip about turning on notifications, make sure you're also following your favorite retailers on social media so you can get the inside scoop when they have these flash sales and promotions going on. Alright, the next tip, set your budget now. Have an idea of what you want to spend during Black Friday and Cyber Monday, and do your best to stick with that budget when you're actually shopping. The reason it's so beneficial to create even a tiny budget for these shopping trips is that it gives you a guideline of how much you can spend and how much you want to spend. It's really easy when we're shopping, either in store or online, to get distracted and want to buy much more than we originally intended. But by keeping a budget and having an idea of how much we want to spend, we'll be significantly more likely to stay on track with that budget and not overspend. This doesn't mean that you have to stick with that budget, but merely having a number that you're aiming for, even if you overshoot that number a little bit, it still helps to keep your shopping in check and help you save a lot of money. The next tip is to make a plan and stick to it. That means avoiding impulse buying. We sort of touched on that just now with making a budget, but it goes right alongside. Have an idea of what you actually need and want to buy. So examples of this might be holiday shopping. If you know you're gonna go Black Friday and Cyber Monday shopping specifically for holiday gifts, then have an idea of what gifts you need and try to stick to buying only those. This can be applied to anything. Let's say you're going shopping because you need new kitchen equipment. Have a list or even a general idea of what kind of kitchen equipment you need. That way when you get to the store or when you're shopping online and you see a really great deal for a cast iron skillet that you know you don't need, but you're like, I'll do it anyways. But if you have an idea of what you need, you make a list of all the items that you're gonna buy ahead of time, it really helps you stay on track, just like having a budget does. The next tip is kind of counterintuitive because it sort of goes against what we just said, but it's being flexible. Yes, we have a list of the things we need. Yes, we have a budget of what we want to spend, but what's really important is understanding that we're not always going to be able to stick to the plan. Sometimes we have to be spontaneous. So if you're looking for a cast iron skillet and you can't find the exact cast iron skillet you want, but you see a really nice non-stick pan that is on sale and gets the same job done, sometimes it's important to realize that being flexible and going for alternatives is the best move. Now for the most important tip is to decimate that like button. It would mean a lot to me because it really helps your channel and it shows your support. A final note about Black Friday and Cyber Monday shopping is to have fun with it. We can always do our best to plan in advance, but we can only do that so much. So at the end of the day, just do your best to stick to a budget, make a list before you go, and then trust your judgment and have fun with it. Those are the strategies that all the best financial experts all agree on to save the most amount of money during this shopping holiday season. I really hope that you guys can use these strategies when you're going Black Friday and Cyber Monday shopping. And I want to give a reminder for this holiday season to remember to be thankful. That's what Thanksgiving's all about, and honestly, there is so much to be thankful for. Friends, family, education, and even here on YouTube. I know I am so thankful for all of my subscribers, everybody who watches these videos, and all of the support that you guys continually show me. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a happy Thanksgiving, a great Black Friday, and an awesome Cyber Monday. Good luck saving, and I'll see you guys next week. So the best way to save this upcoming Cyber Monday and Black Friday is oh, hey.
What's good?
Hey man. I'm sitting here crying in my prom dress.